Welcome to EDU World Space.
Hi everybody, welcome back. So we're looking at problem 10, chapter 7, and an introduction to the modern astrophysics. So this question is asking us give two reasons why the radial velocity technique for detecting planets around the stars favors massive planets like Jupiter with relatively short orbital periods. And I had to read that entire question just because is this conceptual question, and it's just one of those things you have to read the whole thing. Okay, so basically, radial velocity technique. We'll put radial velocity, and we'll put V here. Radial velocity technique works. Actually, we'll just read it. Works well for the case of planets which apply greater force on their star. So basically, so works on planets that that apply greater force on the star. So we rewrite star for you guys so you guys can see it better. Star. Okay. So i.e. that's why bigger planets. That's why it works for bigger planets. So if the orbital period of a planet is longer, then it will take a long time to observe that planet. On the other hand, if the orbital period is short, then it will be easier to detect the planet. So basically, if it is a long orbital period versus a short one, it's going to take longer to detect, and here, shorter to detect. Okay? On the other hand, if the orbital period is shorter, then it would be easier to detect. Okay, so this is why the radial velocity technique for detect planets around stars. So this is why the radial technique, this guy right here, prefers. So we'll put V. Actually, we'll just do VR technique. If I can spell technique, guys. Oh my gosh. There we go. Technique favors. You can spell with an U if you want, if you're British. Unique favors mass. We can say large mass, or we can say large mass and short orbit or small orbit or whatever orbital periods. We'll put periods here. We'll be more specific periods. Okay. Thank you guys.